So with this radio you have the option of Apple Carplay. Also, oops, I'm gonna take out. So you can use all these commands right here to operate it, or use your touch. If you want to get out of this, you just go right here and you're out. These are the apps. This is specifically used for Apple Carplay. You can go and you have all these options right here. To use your Apple Carplay, you have to go first to the Bluetooth and connect to your Bluetooth. I already did. You can see, oh, it's disconnected because I'm filming it right now. Go back. You have apps, you have navigation, DVR, meters, what else? Gallery, video, EasyCon, files, like basically Android music. You can add your own music here. Play it from your phone. Settings. You have all these kind of settings right here. Then you have apps. Like I told you, here you can change the settings of your radio, change your car, like the picture of your car, sound, volume, like all this kind of options that you're gonna need later on. Carry info, again same. Then we have here auxiliary, we don't need that. So yeah, you can install any app you want from the Play Store. You can connect different, like I installed this one, tune in, and there is also on mine there is a SIM card. You can connect a SIM card, so you can see right here it's showing a SIM card. I didn't connect it yet, but I'm gonna try and see which one works from which mobile provider. I don't think Verizon is gonna be accepted, but yeah, we'll try to do another video of that so we can see which one works. So basically that's it. This is how you go back to your original Audi menu. It's right here, but you can use it with touchscreen. It's just from your menu here. So this one is not touchscreen, but everything here Android is touchscreen. So yeah, no apps, this one, and it's back in CarPlay. So this is the demo. In the next video I'm gonna show you how to do it. So also, yeah, I got mine from Amazon, but they sell also on eBay, AliExpress, and I saw a few other sites. So it's basically the same model. It came with all this black thing right here. Oops. So you have to put all this thing new. So yeah, you can see it's like that, and the button is already here, but it was over there on the other side. But I bought a cable, so it's on this side. So yeah, no errors, showing everything, like all the information.